pretty far from my house, I figured I'd give you a tape of it and explain some of it to you and bring it to you when you really need it. As you can see, it's April 26th on here, Tuesday. Hey, here, Bob, this is what you were requesting. You were requesting official briefs and transcripts. This is the transcript that was supposed to be the August 16th one. This is the one where they put the phony 6 pages, cover sheet with 6 pages on. This is and this is the one they took the 6 pages from. This cannot be a mistake. This cannot be an accident, because this is docketed 1 month before this. There's no way they can get them confused. Now, as we push this on the side, put this here. Here we got stuff from John Gubbins' filing from Teresa Pentosi's office. This is the correct one, which has never been filed up there until the 90s. As you can see, these are the notes from the court reporters agreeing that this one hasn't been filed, and they're going to finally file it in 94. It's really late compared to when we had the hearing. As you see, we can say here. And we also have a copy of what Pentosi had from her office, and signing this note showing that this was the incorrect transcript sent up. So you can see this is the real one. This is the official one with the wrong cover page on it and the wrong first 6 pages, as you can see. This works twofold for the city, for the fraud. And you can see they agreed to this, and that Cheryl Young is going to try to change the docket to cover this up. Now what this does here, okay, is in the first 6 pages there's some harsh things said by Judge Duff against the city that turns that around. Then also, now you're able to hide Dr. Fawcett's testimony, what Judge Duff says in here, and my testimony, which was never seen by the appellate court, okay? And this isn't the first time the city did this. They did this back with Dr. Borden and Harry Schroeder when I first went into these cases, and that could be proved too, but this is what you requested now. What I'm saying to you is here, if they're looking for August 16th, they're never going to find it. They're going to look and see this number, which now they're never going to see this. This enables them in an oral argument to come out and say that Judge Duff didn't know who made Mr. Zorich sick. Judge, don't even talk about Fawcett. Don't even say anything, that nobody knows nothing. So they can say that, and then they gave me some attorney who used to work for Richie Daley, the state's attorney's office, which I didn't want. And I wanted Mr. Gubbins to do this because he knew who the doctors were. This man that went up there, I think his name was Mark Lefevre, he didn't even tell him who the doctor was. He sat there for 12 minutes during the oral argument not saying anything. When I was trying to stand up to say anything, my attorney told me to sit down or they'll say I was too sick and take me out of there. So what was I supposed to do? Then, Larry Rosenthal was arguing all different kind of things, and they're saying that Judge Duff didn't know who made Mr. Zorich sick. Until the 90s, Duff said that he said he knew, and Fawcett was there who made Mr. Zorich. It was the city. Read the transcripts, you'll see. This is blatantly fraud. And what are you going to say about this? What can anybody say, Bob? This is enough right here, but we got dozens of stuff to show. But you wanted this, and this is what you're getting. This is between us. Also, in the last pages, they forged the signatures. This is really ridiculous.
Okay, Gene.
Okay, as you can see on the ones from Pentosi's office with the signatures and with the writings to my lawyer that he was supposed to take off, but he didn't want to touch these. He just moved them on the side, and a certain man picked them up and returned them. You can see the back pages to these now. You can see right here the correct signature, and you can see on the one that went up, the forged signature. What's amazing about this is Miss Pentosi, seeing that it's a forged signature, corrects it and puts a good name on it. Signs the signature without even requesting who did this. And she writes on the back of this page has been corrected. Corrected? She just changed the signature back to hers. How can you do this without requesting? She was interviewed by a reporter from Channel 7, in which he was amazed on the things she told him.